Guys, so today I'm going to be sharing with you my jelly TNs that I'm going to be selling. I am going to attempt to sell traveler's notebooks every Friday or Saturday this month. So I will let you know on my Instagram when I will be selling them, so it'll either be a Friday or a Saturday. And if you want to follow my Instagram, I'll just go ahead and link it down below. It is my crafty Instagram, so if you follow me there, you'll know when I'm going to be selling. So I'm aiming for every Friday or Saturday this month. I want to get all of my traveler's notebooks out before October so you guys can be able to use them. I am super excited about my TNs today because I've never done anything like this. I usually just like laminate paper and make them like that. I found these super cute sheets of jelly on prettypinksupply.com. Immediately it brought me back to my childhood, you know, when I used to wear jelly sandals. So cute, and I found such cute Halloween colors, and I wanted to create traveler's notebooks with them. So I used for these four the Bewitched collection from Echo Park, and then for this one I used the Pebbles collection Boo that I got from my sweet amazing friend Jordana. Thank you, Jordana. I'll go ahead and link her channel down below in case you guys want to go check her out, but she was super awesome and sent me the Boo collection because I know it's a little old, but I really wanted it still, and I'm so happy that she sent it to me. So thank you so much, Jordana. I love it. I loved creating with it. So I'm going to go through each traveler's notebook, and then I will give you guys more information on purchasing one of these at the end of the video. So if you're interested in checking out my jelly TNs, then just keep watching. So this is jelly TN number 1. It's black with glitter all over it and has holographic stars. I have black elastic holding in my inserts as well as wrapped around the front cover. And I also have this little witch charm on a lobster clasp so you can remove it if you would like. So on the inside you can really see all the glitter. Like, it's so pretty. So when you first open it, you see a shaker that I created. It has purple seed beads, different shades of purple sequins, a little bit of orange sequins, silver stars, black cats and bats, and it's just really pretty. So there's that, and then this is the first insert. It has the witches on it. And what I do typically is I just get the mini composition notebooks and I cut the cover off and I replace it with a patterned paper, so you get a lot of lined pages. Here is another shaker that I created. This is the second insert. It's got the black cats with the orange background on the inside. Here is a folder that I created. So on the front of the folder you have the little witch hats and the witch boots, and on the inside you have black bats on a purple background. Here's another clear pocket that you can add a photo to or keep this little journaling card in it if you'd like. It's got the haunted house. This is also from the paper collection. And then your last insert has these cute Halloween candies on it with like this cool haunted mansion. Well, that's what it reminds me of, like a haunted mansion wallpaper kind of background. And there's your insert. And then on the last little clear pocket you have another little journaling card. It says, "Witching you a haunting Halloween night." And then that is the traveler's notebook. It also comes with a purple Papermate Ink Joy gel number 7 pen, brand new. So here is Jelly TN number 2. It's the same cover, same elastic, and the same charm on the outside. It also has the same pen, and it has the same sequin mix. It's got the witches on the first insert. It's got another little shaker. This second insert has a black night sky, which I thought was really pretty. On the inside you have this floral that goes with the collection. So the folder in this one has all these potion labels on it, really cute, with a polka dot pattern on the inside. So here is a clear pocket with a little journaling card that says, "I put a spell on you." This is your third insert with the black bats and the purple background. And this is the last little clear pocket. It's got a journaling card in it with a pumpkin. Super adorable. So this is Jelly TN number 3, and it's got this purple, like iridescent, like gorgeous cover. It's got a little bend on the front flap that will go away with time. Then I just use purple elastic to hold in my inserts, as well as wrapped around the front cover. And I have another little witch hat charm. And then also with this, you will be getting the black Papermate Inkjoy Gel number 7 pen, brand new. So on the inside of this traveler's notebook, I created a different mix, just a little bit. This one has black sequins, and it has orange pumpkins and black cats. So it still has the same silver stars and orange sequins and different shades of purple. It even has little star confettis. The first insert has this black night sky. And then you have your little shaker. The second insert has the black bats on the purple background. The folder in this has the orange background with the black cats on it, and then inside is the black and white stripe. Here's a clear pocket, and this is just a journaling card from the collection. It says, "If you got it, haunt it." And then here is your last insert with all the potion bottle labels. And then here is another clear pocket with another journaling card. It says, "Something wicked this way comes." So here's Jelly TN number 4. It has the same cover, the same gorgeous cover, the same purple elastic, same charm, and same pen. When you open it up, it has the same little shaker mix. The first insert has this black and white stripe pattern with the cats on the inside. There's your shaker mix again. The second insert has this cute little candy paper with the Haunted Mansion on the inside. And then here's your folder. It's got this orange print with cauldrons and potion bottles and butterflies, and it's just really, really pretty. And then this is the clear pocket. It's got a little journaling card that says, "Jack-o'-lanterns, ghosts and goblins, haunted houses, and wicked witches. Trick or treat in the moonlight. Happy Halloween." And then this last insert has the potion bottle labels. And then this last journaling card just says "Booyah," and it's got the really cute pumpkin on the black and white striped background. And this is Jelly TN number 5. I only have one of these. This is an orange jelly. It's so pretty. I used black elastic to hold in my inserts, as well as wrapped around the front cover, and I have this cute little pumpkin charm on the front. This is what it looks like. Also with this traveler's notebook, you're going to get the black Papermate pen. So the shaker mix in this is different. It has black and orange sequins, black seed beads, pumpkins, ghosts, spider webs, really, really cute. So the first paper has this pumpkin print on it. It's really, really cute. There's your shaker again. The first little pocket has this journaling card that says "Boo to you." Then the second insert has this black spider web print. The next little pocket on this has the spider web journaling card, and then your last insert in this is a black background with white ghosts. This one does not come with a folder on the inside, but I added some extra goodies to the packaging to make up for it. So I'm just going to be showing you guys how I package everything up before it gets sent off to you. I made a little chip bag with some stickers from the collection that I just made the back of it not sticky anymore, so they're like little chips. If I can find the chip bag tutorial that I followed, I'll link it down below. I have some leftover sequin mix from the shakers that I created, pen, some washi tape, and these acrylic little bats that you see. Both Jelly TNs 1 and 2 have the same contents that are in the packaging, and I'm just going to be adding some purple crinkle paper just because you guys know that I love crinkle paper and I think it makes anything look pretty. So I just wanted to go ahead and fill that up with the crinkle paper. Tonight you're going to be watching me pack up Jelly TN kit number 3, and this is also number 4 as well. So I'm just going to be putting in another little chip bag that I created. You'll get the black pen, and I have leftover sequin mix again from the shakers that I created for the Traveler's Notebook. Little black acrylic bats, and some pumpkin washi. And I'm just going to be filling this with black crinkle paper. And like I said before, everything that you see in this packaging is going to be in the fourth packaging as well. So the fourth Jelly TN kit. And then you're going to see me putting together the final little kit. And this is a different kind of kit because I did not create a little chip bag. Instead, I just chose a bunch of embellishments that I thought went well with the paper collection. So you get these little glittery pumpkins, acrylic spiders, and these ghost stickers from Little Bee, and a black pen, more sequin mix, and this little tube of orange glitter from Heidi Swap, and this spider washi. So I try to make everything go together, and I really like how it turned out. And I'm going to be filling this with black crinkle paper as well. And that is pretty much it for me packaging these up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little process video real quick. And now I'm going to go back to telling you guys more about how you can purchase my little kits. So I hope you guys enjoyed the little sped up video. I wanted you guys to be able to see what I put inside each little traveler's notebook kit. So I'm going to be selling these. I'll go ahead and have everything listed down below so you guys can know what is still available and what is sold. I'll also have it in the title of the video so you guys can find out there. These are going to be $55 shipped, US only, PayPal only, with the friends and family option. When I say shipped, that means the price has the shipping included already in it. If you're interested in purchasing, I'll go ahead and leave my email link down below. Please email me first before paying. I've had situations where people will pay me first before speaking to me about it, and my PayPal email is not the same as my regular email. So go ahead and contact me through email first. Prompt payment, please, just so everything runs smoothly. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're not subscribed and you'd like to be, just go ahead and click the subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when I upload videos, just go ahead and click that little notification bell. I will talk to you guys soon. Love you guys. Bye.